Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In last tutorial, we talked about ship method in JavaScript. So now let's talk about slice method. So what is slice method? Slice method in JavaScript is used to extract a portion of an array and create a new array containing those elements. It takes two optional parameters, start and end, which define the start and end position for the slice. So the start parameter is inclusive, while the end parameter is exclusive. So let's create an example for our um, s- slice method. So let's have apple, okay, banana, what else? Cherry, let's say date for this one, and then elderberry. Okay, so let's create another variable that holds our sliced fruits, and then let's use this fruit array for our slice, and then let's slice the from banana index number one up to okay up to date. Okay, sorry. Then let's run the code. Sorry, I forgot to save it. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Slice. Maybe I forgot. Run the code. What happened? Slice fruits. Slice. Okay. Ah, sorry. I forgot to console that. Like, my bad. Okay. So as you can see here, we have banana, cherry, and date. So the slice method is a versatile and allows you to extract elements from a desired range in an array, like what we did here inside of our slice parameter. So you can omit the end parameter to extract all elements from the start position to the end of the array. And additionally, you can use negative indices to extract elements from the end of the array. So let's create the example to meet the end parameter. So the only thing that we can you need to do is to delete the end parameter and then check it. So as you can see here, we got from banana up to elderberry since we start our slice from index number one, and then since we don't have any parameter in end, so it it end until the last element of the array. So now, since we can use the negative indices to extract elements from the end of the array, let's create a negative example. So negative one. Let's say negative one. So I'm expecting that the output is banana, cherry, and date. So let's run the code. So as you can see here, we have banana, cherry, and date. Since I told the end of the slice that negative one from negative one. So negative one is here, negative one. Since if you count the array from from the end, it start from one. Okay. So the last, let's say negative three for this one. I'm expecting that the output is negative 3 cherry, and then negative 1, the end is this one. So let's run the code, cherry and date. So yeah, I hope I give you an explanation and example to help you to understand how slice method work in JavaScript. So if you have further clarification, just comment below in our comment section. That's it. Thank you and bye bye.